We are going to be reading this text called Bears. It's a nonfiction text, so it will teach you some nice facts about bears. And this is by Anne Miranda. While you read this text with me, I want you to pay very close attention to words that have ing and ed endings. And I want you to pay attention to the base words. So here the base word is eat. Here the base word is sit. Here the base word is, yes, get. Here the base word is grab. So when I say base word, it's the main part of the word that tells you its meaning. And then it just has the little ending, either ed or ing. Let's try to read the story Bears together. Bears by Anne Miranda. What things do bears like? Just look and see. Bears like eating. This black bear is sitting up in a tree. It is getting nuts. It grabbed them and ate them. It likes eating nuts. Bears like fishing. Fishing is best when streams are filled with fish. Fast swimming fish race past this bear. They are racing upstream. We are going to talk a little bit about this page. So let's see if you can find one of the first words that has ing. Yes, I'm pointing to fishing. I hope you are too. So the base word in fishing is fish. If you can read fish, you can read fishing. It's a nice long word for you to read. Then look at this one. Swim. We double the M, add ing. And this word would be race, R-A-C-E. Not racking, because it wouldn't make sense, right? They are racking upstream. No, they are racing upstream. We dropped the E, got rid of the E, and added ing, because you can't have an E and an ing next to each other. Just one of those rules. Let's read the next page. Remember, you can pause this video, read the page, and then unpause it to double check yourself. Bears like swimming. It is a thrill to see this big white bear swimming in the sea. It is bobbing up and down in the waves like floating ice. It swims toward the ice. This bear has an itch. He likes scratching. He is rubbing his back on that tree. He looks as if he is grinning. He must have found just the spot to scratch. This bear likes napping. It can sleep well even during the day. It will wake up and go trotting off to look for food. It will eat and nap again. This bear likes napping a lot. This bear likes digging. It has been digging a den. It will line its den with branches and grass. Grass makes a soft mattress. It will be a nice bed to nap in. This bear likes sleeping at night with the moon shining above. It stretched and nodded off. Sleep well, bear. Sleep well. Now that we've read this text, I would like you to go back and find some words that end with ing. Pay attention to how they are spelled with the double consonants. Especially if it's a vowel consonant ending and ed endings. I'd like you to pay attention to those words and Try to read this text a couple more times. Enjoy and have a great day.